Hey guys, and welcome back to another Quick Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and some of the offers that they have, especially on iPhones, because a lot of people want the new iPhone 12s. And I think so far they have really good deals. So right now it says another cool thing with having some discounted phones is zero fees to switch to Metro this holiday, which still I don't know why they're promoting that. There shouldn't even be any fees if you're going to switch over to a different carrier, to take advantage of their service. They should be grateful, so. But everybody in the industry is basically starting to charge activation fees or switcher offers, fees. I don't know. What's cool though is I know Metro by T-Mobile does a lot of rebates. There's no rebates this time, so you'll get instantly off on the phone, which is great. But like I said, that it's funny how proudly they're just announcing, hey, no fees to switch, no activation fees, no phone rebates. But yeah, here's some of the offers, but I won't talk about these. I want to talk about the iPhone ones. So let's get into it. So go to phones, cell phones. And here we go, guys. Still same thing. They're promoting it up on their banner, but here it is, guys. You're right now, Cricket saving you $100 off the iPhone 12s. Well, Metro by T-Mobile saying, hey, I can do better. We're saving $200 off. Which is great. And then of course they're 5G compatible, so you can use the 5G network in T-Mobile, which is a lot better than their standard network. So here we go. Let's see, the iPhone 12, you can save $200, guys. The iPhone 12 Pro, which is the one I got, same color. I got it for $1,000, but well, here you'll get it for $800 if you switch over, which is great. So you can save $200 if you switch over. So instead of you getting $1,000, you'll get it for $800, and of course iPhone 12 it's $829.99, and then you'll get it for $629.99. Wow. So from here, we'll get to the iPhone 12. Oh, it's a little weird right there. They have an iPhone 12 and an iPhone 12. That says $829.99 that you get for $699, and then I guess they just have a standard iPhone 12 for $879. That might be the bigger storage. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if that's a glitch or what. And then of course I have an iPhone 12 Pro. That one of course is $1,100. You can save $200 and get it for $900, which is a great phone. They do have the different models. And yeah, that's why this one costs a little bit more. If you see right here, it's the higher gig model. So I was like, well, what's up with that? So the iPhone 12 mini, it's probably the least popular one, at least in my opinion, that people will buy. I mean, yeah, it's a lot cheaper. It's $729.99, and then you can get it for $529.99. So right under $600, about $530. You can get an iPhone 12 mini. Personally, I wouldn't get the iPhone 12 mini because it has basically the same battery size as the iPhone SE, and that's the one I just had and sold. The phone is a great phone, don't get me wrong, but the battery kind of sucked on it. I mean, I would have to charge it, and this is with 100% health. The phone just came out in April for the iPhone SE. Now the iPhone 12 mini might last a little longer just because it might be a little bit more optimized with the iOS 14, the A14 Bionic chip, but for me, that's why I got rid of my iPhone SE, guys. It's a great phone, good camera and everything. Don't get me wrong, it's an iPhone, but just the battery. And of course, a smaller screen. But now, the iPhone SE, like I said, even though I was just kind of dogging it, it's a good phone. The phone does cost $400, but you can get it $300 savings on it, and so get it for $99. For $100, guys, it's definitely worth it. Even if you might have to charge it twice or three times a day. Even 4 times a day, just depending how much usage you get out of it. It's still a good phone, for it to be an iPhone. And then here's some other offers here, like the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G model. It's a really good phone. $700, guys. You can get for $440 or $439.99. If you're an Android user, this is the one to look for. Honestly, I've sold many of these, and it's just great phones. 5G compatible, 120 hertz refresh rate. You can't beat it, man. That's what Apple should have done, but Apple, man. Here's some other offers here, like T-Mobile Revel 4. I wouldn't do that. Maybe the 5G model, just see. I would probably get this just to test out T-Mobile's 5G, see if that's actually worth a hoot. Now here's another phone that people are kind of sleeping on is the iPhone XR, guys. So as you can see, they do have the iPhone 11 and the XR. So let's talk about these two bad boys. So the iPhone 11 is still a really good phone. You know, a lot of people call it the XR2. $600 is the retail price on it. You can save $200 if you switch, so you can get it for $400, guys. And of course, these are switcher deals, and we'll do a little bit more learning there. But basically, you have to switch over. The iPhone XR, which is another great phone, it's $500. You get for $300, guys, for $300. I mean, some retailers are still selling iPhone 7 or 7 Plus for $300. That's crazy. So you can get a way better phone, which is iPhone XR, if you want to switch over to Metro by T-Mobile and get it for $300. Of course, you have to pay for the plan. Anything else? I mean, kind of low tier. I mean, this one, Samsung Galaxy A51, is good for $200. That's crazy, and it's 5G compatible as well. There's an iPhone 7, you can get that for free. But if you were gonna get an iPhone 7, might as well get the SE for, you know, a couple more bucks. Here we go. Here's the other two that we're missing. The iPhone 11 Pro, guys, a really good phone, $900. Was $1,000. So remember, you're saving quite a bit of money already. You're saving about what, $300 off of it. So right now you save $200 off of it because it's $700, guys, instead of the $900 that you'd be paying. So like I said, quite a bit of savings, and it's a really good phone. I mean, this is right under the 12 Pro, guys. So if you want to spend the extra money to get a 12 Pro, and like I said, you want to try out Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile's 5G network, or just regular network because it's not even 5G, you can go ahead and get this. Now, if you want a bigger screen, of course, they still do offer the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Remember, this phone was $1,100. Now you can get it for $800. So same thing, you're saving technically $300 on that, but right now you're saving $200 just because, you know, it already price dropped $100 through Apple. So overall, Jesus, man, what are they doing with this? Why would I want to get an iPhone 6s? Man, I don't know, man. They just need to get rid of the iPhone. Anything lower than probably an SE, just get rid of that thing, you know. Because I mean, look, it's $0 to get iPhone 7. Why the heck would I buy an iPhone 6s? I mean, it doesn't even tell you the storage, unless that thing's like 256 or something. I don't know. You know how these people are. So let's look at what are some of the requirements. And another thing before we finish this is, guys, it says you have to find a store. This is what I hate about it. Yeah, they're trying to do Black Friday into a store, but you know, the whole COVID thing, you should just be able to buy it online and get it delivered to your house, but they want you to go to a store. So stock's probably going to be limited. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. They probably only have a couple 12s in stock, a couple 11s. If they have the older models, of course, they're going to have a lot less. Maybe 5 of those, so who knows. So you can do learn more right here. And of course, you can learn more about the iPhone 12. And see, you can switch and get $200 off iPhone 12. And it's in-store offer only. And then it's an instant. You don't have to go ahead and get a rebate. So this is when you switch, offer available in store only, plus sales tax activation fee, ID validation required. So you need a valid ID. Mostly, it doesn't say here, but I'm guessing you're gonna have to get like an unlimited plan with them. But hey, you're saving $200 off, and there's no activation fees right now. Even though it says that, remember, they're not charging you any activation fees, guys. So overall, like I said, I have the phone. It's a great phone. I love it. Nothing wrong with it. Here's just some of the quick specs. If you guys want to look at the minis, the 12 and the 12 Pro, the main differences. Like I said, me personally, as you can see, 15 hours versus 17 hours of playtime, so it's not too bad. Overall, it's a good phone, guys. Let's see, there's different phones right there, but let's see if there's any disclaimers. Nope, and then just cases. But overall, I think saving $200 off, if, like I said, if you're gonna get Metro by T-Mobile, and then T-Mobile's getting your area, then this is a good offer. Just check coverage and availability and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully you stay to the end of the video. And yeah, check out you know, Honey. They're my channel supporter. I will have a link in the description below where you can check out more things and get discounts with Honey. So I'll tell you if there's coupons, discounts. Like I said, we'll have that. That does help me out, guys. If you check it out and install it to your Google Chrome browser, make your first purchase, helps out the channel. So thank you, guys. So everything in the description below. Thank you.